Amazon sellers leverage various technologies to launch, manage, and grow their businesses. While some sellers rely exclusively on Seller Central's built-in tools for listing products through Add Products, pricing with Automate Pricing, and shipping inventory via the Send to Amazon workflow, others utilize third-party applications to enhance their listing, pricing, shipping, and business operations. Third-party apps function similarly to smartphone or tablet applications, providing specialized functionality that helps Amazon sellers streamline and scale their businesses. Amazon maintains a comprehensive catalog of approved applications in the Selling Partner Appstore, accessible at sellercentral.amazon.com/selling-partner-appstore. To navigate the Selling Partner Appstore, visit the home page and select an app category to browse available options. Alternatively, use the search bar to locate specific applications by name. Click any app's icon to access its detail page, where you can review features, functionality, contact information, and web links for quick access and implementation. Each application in the Selling Partner Appstore undergoes Amazon's review and authorization process. The developers publishing in the App Store are also vetted by Amazon, ensuring quality and reliability. Some applications integrate directly with Seller Central, while others operate as standalone solutions. All App Store applications access the same selling data available in Seller Central through secure API services, the Selling Partner API, SP API, or the legacy marketplace web service, Amazon MWS. Third-party listing applications offer several advantages to sellers. These apps can accelerate the product listing process, simplify multi-channel listing creation, and make optimizing product descriptions and listing content more intuitive. The specialized features available through these applications can significantly enhance your listing efficiency and effectiveness. To demonstrate the range of listing applications available, consider these three examples from the Selling Partner Appstore: Helium 10, Inventory Lab, and Zentel. These examples serve as informational references rather than Amazon recommendations, illustrating the diverse third-party solutions available. Helium 10 provides sellers with comprehensive features supporting listing optimization, financial analytics, and inventory management. Use Helium 10 to optimize existing listings by refining keywords that drive traffic to your product detail pages. The application helps confirm that product descriptions include all relevant keywords while ensuring you maintain the correct keyword count and adhere to character limits for specific product categories. Additionally, Helium 10 supports research for identifying new profitable products. Inventory Lab offers sellers extensive features and functionality, including product sourcing assistance, supplier tracking, automated accounting, and listing capabilities. Use Inventory Lab to simplify product sourcing through its sales history and margin presets, which will help you quickly evaluate purchase decisions. The import function converts your purchases into Amazon inventory efficiently. Inventory Lab also enables FBA shipping label printing during the listing process, expediting the process of sending items to Amazon fulfillment centers. Zentel provides sellers with multi-channel listing and fulfillment solutions. Use Zentel to download your Amazon product data and convert it into a comprehensive multi-channel catalog. The application synchronizes inventory and orders between Amazon and other sales channels. Zentel generates reports, data, and insights about your multi-channel listings and sales performance. These features collectively help you reach new customers, build brand recognition, and increase sales. Helium 10, Inventory Lab, and Zentel represent only a small sample of the third-party applications available in the Selling Partner Appstore for product listing assistance. To explore additional listing applications, click the listing category on the App Store homepage. Use the available filters to find applications designed for specific programs, or search by star rating, language, or store preferences. Explore applications in other categories that might help streamline and scale your business operations. Visit the Selling Partner App Store today to discover the tools that can enhance your Amazon selling experience and drive your business growth.